Hello, dear mentors. Welcome to meeting one, part one. And this is part C, las Tlayudas. So we have this big Tlayuda and we really want to put lots of ingredients in various ways. We have 8 possibilities: chorizo, frijol, jitomate, pollo, quesillo, repollo, salsa, and then tasajo, which is a special type of meat. And we actually surveyed 50 of our friends, and this is what they said. 5 friends wanted frijoles and jitomates, either both or none. 2 friends wanted pollo or tasajo, but not both. 10 friends wanted to include salsa whenever they include frijoles or repollo. 4 friends don't like tlayudas that have both these ingredients. 7 friends want these 2 ingredients. 5 friends want this conditional. If you put tasajo, don't put chorizo. 4 friends want small recipes, so no more than 3 ingredients. And then big chunk of people, 13 friends, said, I want jitomates, chorizo, or salsa, but not all 3, meaning either 1 or 2 of them, but not the whole 3, not all 3. So how does this work? Let's take a look and just test it out. So during the meeting, students will have these cards for ingredients and this template for the tortilla. So they'll build the tlayuda. Let's say, for instance, that I wanted to test out a clue. Let's say, for example, the first one, right? I mean, the empty tlayuda will do because put none, but maybe more interesting it would be to put both the frijol and the jitomate. Okay. So that'd be one way. Let's take a look at another condition that can be interesting. If you put tasajo, don't put chorizo. So again, the empty tlayuda is fine because it's a conditional and you didn't put tasajo, so it's totally fine. If you put chorizo, that's also fine, just chorizo because you didn't put tasajo. Now, if you put tasajo, don't put chorizo, that's fine. And then what would not be good would be to put tasajo and also chorizo. So this would not satisfy this clue number 6. How about number 8? Let's take a look. So jitomates, chorizo, or salsa, but not all 3. So I could have jitomate and salsa. That'd be one way to satisfy this clue. Another way would be just having salsa or salsa and chorizo. But what doesn't work would be having these 3 ingredients. So that would not be good. Let's say maybe jitomate and salsa. And of course, what's interesting is tackling more than one clue at a time. So let's say we already conquered clue 8. And for example, we want to work on number 4. I don't like tlayudas that have both repollo and salsa. So since I already have salsa, I cannot put repollo. So it'll be interesting if your students have a way or a strategy to label or to indicate ingredients that are now forbidden. So you could maybe label them or flip the card or put it in a space in a separate box that says forbidden ingredients. So right now we cannot use repollo, right? And we're satisfying these clues. How about this one? Number 1, frijoles and jitomates, either both or none. Since we already brought jitomates to our tlayuda, then we would have to bring frijol, the frijol as well. Right now we have 3 clues, so that's good. Let's just keep exploring. If you include frijoles or repollo, also include salsa. That's kind of for free, but we're good. How about this one? If you put tasajo, don't put chorizo. As of now is good. Let's try this one. I want pollo or tasajo, but not both. Okay. Why don't we include maybe pollo? And so right now we have a lot of clues satisfied. What would happen if we try number 5 now? So put frijoles, good, and also put quesillo. So we would put quesillo. Okay. So right now we're good. Let's just read them again. So clue number 1, frijoles or jitomate, and jitomates, both. That's good. Clue number 2, pollo or tasajo, but not both. That's great. If you include frijoles or repollo, also include salsa. Good. This is also good because we're not having repollo. We were forbidding it, right? If you put tasajo, don't put chorizo. That's totally fine. Number 7, it's impossible right now because we have more than 3 clues, ingredients. So that's okay. And then lastly, I want jitomates, chorizo, or salsa, but not all 3. Okay, so this is going to be actually one of the optimal solutions that we'll see in another video. We didn't use any particular strategy, so your students could arrive to this solution like that. We got kind of lucky, to be honest. So in another video, we'll talk about strategy. So how to solve it with more intention, especially starting with the clues that are heaviest, that have more friends liking them. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Thank you.